डिज़ाइन डिटेल के कारण होता है। जब तक कोई डिटेल परफेक्ट नहीं है तो डिज़ाइन में परफेक्शन नहीं आता है। हर प्रोडक्ट में डिटेलिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है।
It's said, not much can be achieved if you just sit around. Well, we invite you to take a seat and look back at this journey that revolutionized the way people sit.
– 1972 में मैं बॉम्बे आया और 1979 तक अंबर शॉप शुरू किया। क्रिएटिविटी ऑलवेज नेचुरल आती है। सिखाने से आपको सपोर्ट जरूर मिलता है, आइडिया आता है, लेकिन बेसिक क्रिएटिविटी नेचुरली माइंड में आती है। और जब आइडिया आता है तो सडनली मैं पेपर लेता था और पेपर के ऊपर स्केच कर लेता था।
In 1988, Mr. Nirmal designed the first chair for Amber, labeled the Slick Series. It revolutionized the design and manufacture of chairs in India. Instead of the traditional method that resulted in bulky chairs, the Slick chair was made of a single solid rod that made it aesthetic as well as functional.
मेरा जर्नी खास करके 1990 से 2005 तक बहुत ही फ्रूटफुल रहा। मेरे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट आए, बहुत सारी सीरीज मैंने डेवलप की।
In 1999, Amber manufactured 3,000 chairs for Asia's biggest auditorium, the Shanmukhananda Hall in Mumbai. To continue the spirit of innovation and expansion, Ms. Beenal Nirmal was inducted in Amber Chairs in 2017 after finishing her education in product design from Domus Academy in Milan.
So I think we are a very good team. He comes with his experience and I come with my fresh ideas. I am a little bold when it comes to certain choice of colors or choice of forms. And he has a very good understanding of material which I have learned from him. We are more into crafted products. So the whole idea of material, characteristic of material joinery comes when you're doing crafted products. And I want to constantly do the finishing touches, okay? At that point he tells me at some point you have to stop and at some point you have to believe in yourself.
क्योंकि डिज़ाइन एक ऐसी चीज़ है, उसका नेवर एंडिंग है। आप कितना भी सोचेंगे अगेन एंड अगेन, यू हैव टू स्टॉप समवेयर।
The things that we do here is not just about making an art piece or making something which is good looking. It has to be functional. People will buy things only and only if they are comfortable with it.
Today, architects approach Amber chairs with varying designs that stretch the limits of imagination, but they trust Amber to deliver every time.
If it is stretched too much beyond a point, there are chances that the product is not going to be durable. But if we are playing in that limitation, then we are not doing innovation. So it has to be a perfect balance of innovation and practicality and ergonomics all at the same time. As a product designer, the one bit that makes me happy is looking at my product being used by someone. That somewhere, something that we have done has made an impact in someone else's life. I think that has been Amber's story.
40 years कोई बिजनेस को रन करना और सक्सेसफुली आगे ले आना बहुत बड़ा टाइम होता है। मेरे वेंडर होने दो या मुझे मेरे वर्कर होने, मुझे आर्किटेक्ट्स, मेरे क्लाइंट्स, उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया इतने सालों में।
with its legacy of craftsmanship, luxury, and design. The next time you choose to take a seat, make sure it's on an Umber.